Okay, I have this one broken down into slides because there's so much information up there. First thing I recommend is name the triangles. And the triangles that we know the most information about are the two triangles where this indicates that this is an equilateral triangle and this is an equilateral triangle right here. And the extra information they give you is that in the two triangles, these two vertical angles are congruent, which means those two triangles are congruent. We also know that because there's a side here. So there's two reasons, possibilities that triangle ABE, so ABE, and then DCE are congruent. You either have angle, let me do this, angle side angle, which would be equal to this angle side angle, or angle angle side, right? We could have gone with this angle, this angle, this side, this angle, this angle, this side. So either way, we know that those two triangles are congruent. And because they're congruent, remember, then corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are congruent. So let's go to the next part. So because of that, because we know that, I'm going to start here and go this way. A, B, B, here's the B, here's the E. Ooh, this got erased. Is congruent to DCE. Since all the angles are congruent, then all the sides will also, because it's an equilateral triangle. So we can now say that these three sides and these three sides are congruent. And look at this side tells us it's 24. So that sets us up for this. Because we know that these sides are 24, here's our equation. 5x minus 1 is equal to 24, and then you just solve. But then we've got a second part. So we've got, oh, I did the solving on one. So now we've got this second part. So I'm going to kind of ignore this top part right here. And let's focus on the 6y. Well, the 6y is in this isosceles triangle, and we don't know what these two angles are, and we don't know the measure. But what we do know, because of the triangle sum theorem, that three angles in a triangle add up to 180, we can say 6y plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Ah, look at what we also know. We also know that this angle is 60 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. So we're going to put those at, these are two 30-degree angles right there. So when you add all of that up, 6y, well, 30 plus 30 is 60. So 60 degrees total there. And this 6y is degrees, by the way. And then just solve. And remember, because we're talking about an angle measure, you would go ahead and put the degree symbol. All right, that's it for this one.